Hello and welcome back. Now you might remember that the two key components that were released by Oracle as part of the second gen of cloud or the OCI were compartments and VCNs, which is the virtual cloud network. So these are the two things or two components which help to provide security and isolation in the cloud. In one of our previous videos, we had a look at compartments and how we create compartments. Now in this video, we shall take a look into how to create a VCN or the virtual cloud network. Okay, so currently we are inside the OCI dashboard and we have to just go to menu. We go to networking and here we can see virtual cloud networks. Okay, because we don't have any VCNs created, we have to first choose our compartment. You remember that we had created a demo compartment, so we choose the demo compartment here. Then I go to create virtual cloud network. Okay, very important. Here you can see that it says create in compartment, so you can choose different compartments. We don't take the root compartment, we choose the demo compartment because it's the compartment that we created for our resources. Then you actually have the option to give the IP address inside a block. Then you have to specify DNS label, DNS domain name, all these things you have to specify yourselves. Because we are in very early stages of learning the Oracle Cloud, it's always best, and Oracle has given us the option to use this option which says create VCN plus the related resources, which is very good because what it does, it actually creates the VCN for us and it actually creates all the resources automatically for us, so we don't have to specify any of the resources. So I'll first tell you about this IP address. This is something called CIDR, or we pronounce it as CIDR. You might notice that it in coming days, a lot of people talking about the CIDR address that you have to specify in VCN. So CIDR is nothing but a classless inter-domain routing. It is actually an IP addressing scheme where a single IP address can designate many unique different IP addresses. It actually ends with a slash, so it can be /16 and goes up to /30. So if we come back to the resources, what all resources are actually created? The resources that are actually created are the CIDR, the IP address. Then you can see an internet gateway. Yes, because we need to connect the VCN to the internet, so that's why we need a gateway. The important thing to notice is it actually creates a route table with default routing rule to enable the traffic between VCN and internet gateway, as we saw earlier as well. And quite important, here you'll see that it actually creates 3 subnets, and these 3 subnets are associated with 3 availability domains. So here I'd like to mention that it has, in my case, it has actually chosen Frankfurt as the data region. And you might remember I told you that a data region can have up to 3 availability domains. So in the Frankfurt data region, we have 3 availability domains, which are like Frankfurt 81, Frankfurt 82, 83. And each of these availability domains, it actually creates 3 subnets, and which are with say .0, .1 and .2. Okay, so now we will actually create the VCN. It actually gives us an option to give a name, so maybe I'll say something like VCN demo, which actually shows that it's actually a VCN created in the demo compartment. So again, going back, you just specify name, create the VCN plus related resources, then it chooses your name, all the CIDR notation that you've given, and all these things are specified. Then we just simply press on this create virtual cloud network. It actually then shows that okay, these are the things that are actually created, and these are the kind of resources which we've already discussed. So it shows that the subnets are created, it's done an update to the default route table, and I say close, and my VCN appears. Now I can just click on this VCN and I can see all the details. If you want, you can just go along, look into the route tables, internet gateways, and just to get better understanding around these. And these are the 3 subnets which I actually told you previously as well. So very important, VCNs need to be created if you have to create your database in OCI or second generation of cloud. and that's what we have actually done. So we have created a new VCN, that is VCN demo, which is in the demo compartment, and we'll actually use this VCN when we create the database. Thanks for watching.